Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see best 52 business that we can do easily with the investments of 5 to 10 lakhs. Because many of my friends they have commanded me and they have asked me, sir, what are the different types of business that we can carry out daily? So give some output like that. Everybody asked in that comments. According to that, I have made on slides. So nearly 52. I thought of putting nearly 100 business for 100 business how the bank is giving loan and how you have to get loan, how you have to approach the bank, and so that is a nutshell I want to tell. So first, if you see, there are nearly 52 business that we can start. I have categorized here manufacturing, services and trading. So in manufacturing I have given totally 16 manufacturing activity, 17 service activity, nearly 18 trading activity. Okay, manufacturing activity, any activity we are doing, any service we are doing, any service, manufacturing, trading, we need one first the shop or place where we are starting our business first thing. Then we need how much we are going to invest in that amount. Then what are the people who is going to monitor the work, who all are there, who will help. These are the main thing we must concentrate in it. So if you see nearly 16 manufacturing activity, first is garments. You know, everybody garments industry. So if you put in a place 1500 square feet or 2001, if you take one long hall and put nearly 10 to 20 machine stitching equipments, machinery, garment industry you can easily start it, because you will get material from Tirupur, Erode and all, and you have to stitch it according to that. For one pant or one shirt or one material, you will be claiming nearly of 300 rupees or 250 rupees. According to that, if they are giving mass, that you can get a very good. If you appoint 10 people and carrying out textile business daily, then garment industry is the best one. Then candle or stick manufacturing. So normally for candles, sandal sticks and all, that is easily we can do. Anybody can do. For this, there is no mastermind or extra knowledge we must need. Normally, if you follow it, candle stick industries, we can manufacture bolt and nut washer. It's just a die. According to that, 2 inches, 3 inches, half inches and all, we can make our bolt nut washers. The companies or private parties, they will give the sizes and all. It is fixed that in the machine, if you put half inch or 1 inch or this in the plate punching machine, according to that, you can manufacturing bolt nut washers. This is Arcanite plate. Arcanite plate is nothing but that normally, so the plastic plates came now. Arcanite is it's a tree type one. We used to tell that park that, in that we will eat all the nowadays. If you see any temples or any outsides, if you see Arcanite plates are only using, it is nearly so 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches sizes. So each plates will be costing nearly 2 rupees, 5 rupees or 10 rupees according to that. And pickles and food in items also you can manufacture easily. So printing books and notes, pickles, the food items, that is a small scale industries. So there are different type of pickles, mango pickles, then garlic pickles, then on the lemon pickles. Everything is being easily manufactured and it can be traded. So printing books like B.Ed books, college books, then printing calendars and all, it is always wanted and evergreen business of printing. So if you buy a printing 2-3 and if you make and you have a contact with a few colleges and schools, so you can separate to them regularly. Bricks, hollow bricks, you know very well. Fly ash bricks, sand bricks. So this and all every daily needed for the construction material. Lathe machine, if you buy a lathe and 2 lathes, turret lathe or very lathes, so if you manufacture and supply to them, so according to that daily you will be getting very good orders. So silver ornaments, like ladies used to wear that silver ornaments, or babies like wrinkles. Then in foot they used to call like that. So silver ornaments in Salem, Sivadapuram, it's a famous for silver ornaments. If you take in India, nearly 70% of silver is being traded, or and this small scale industries are in nearly Salem, Sivadapuram, then Savai Pete and all. Then broiler poultry. This is like big companies. They will give nearly 500 to 1,000 broilers. 40 days you have to make it culture and you have to give. They will make every shed, everything. They will arrangements. So you have 40 days. You have to make it into from 500 gram to you have to make it 1 kg or 2 kg for food. Everything they will give. So you have to just make it grow according to the wages. You will be getting this broiler poultry. Carry bags, non-woven bags, you know very well. So in that, if nowadays plastic bags are being avoided, and so non-woven bags, plastic bags, now leaves and all, now bags have come. Once used bags and all, it is for according to the machinery. If you take and manufacture, and it will be good. Plastic tub manufacturing for our house tub, then mug and all, it's being necessarily used. According to this plastic tub manufacturing, if you make and you supply to all the vendors, and if you sell it in the street, so a lot of people are there for trading that. You just manufacture and give to the traders, and all the shops it will being used. And dyes and manufacture according to dyes, shapes and all, and that machineries are there. If you make it, it will be good. Kitchen silver utensils also, like for our plate, steels and all, then sticks, everything we need, tumblers, glasses, spoons and all being manufactured. Towels, towels and handkerchiefs are now mass. We can produce in mass. According to that machinery, if you cut the cut pieces will be coming, you got to stitch and we got to give. This is garment is mainly for dresses and all. This is other than dresses, handkerchiefs, shoes, that everything we can make it. Handicrafts, a lot of handicrafts items are being manufactured in our places, and they are giving more. Government is giving MSME, manpower manufacturing, they are giving loans. So by these nearly 16 items, we can invest nearly 5 to 10 lakhs. If we invest, we can have a lot of productions, and we can grow. We can make this manufacturing activity into a big growth. Next, if you see services, computer centers, we can start our computer centers. So anybody can start the computer centers. So if you have to make computer centers, Xerox copies and all. So normally this is government offices, banks. In a bank for loan, nearly 10-15 people will be going in a day. So for that they will be Xerox. So if you keep a computer center, Xerox center, PAN, Aadhaar center, PAN card, then Aadhaar card, these are the center. If you make near bank, it is very good for them. So every people will come. Surely 1,000 rupees you will be getting daily salary. From this blood scan centers, blood for blood collecting blood and giving to high tech or Apollo, or you are doing, you are putting some chemist and doing, or you are giving to somebody chemist. So it is a very good business, blood scans, and because early morning many of the sugar patients, they will telecall, and they will tell to for this. Please come and collect the blood. So if you go nearly 10 or 15 houses daily, according to they will be your customer, you will be supplying medicines. According to that, you will be getting very good income. Hotel service is a very big industry that anyone can start, because in Chennai, if in a state, if you put a small hotels, evening itself you will be getting nearly 1,000 rupees. So morning breakfast, lunch and evening. One of my brother, he is putting a hotel near a stand, bike stand. First, initially we thought that it will not fetch. After that, nearly in the stand, there are nearly 30 four-wheelers are being stood. So that drivers are coming. Then on the way, many people are coming. So nearly 1,000 to 1,500 just a profit we are getting from this hotel industry. So bakery industry, if anybody will go on pubs, it is at 12 rupees or 50 rupees. Any item if you purchase, it will be coming nearly 100 or 200. Anybody we will purchase. According to that, this bakery industry is giving very good income. Beauty salon, natural is there, everything is according to that. If you start a beauty salon, which is less for hair cutting 150 rupees, for shaving 30 rupees or 50 rupees, or some putting oil or hair dyeing and all. So everybody will come. This beauty salon is also fetching a very good income. Travels, so if you are running a travels, or if you are hiring four-wheelers for shifting the things and all, so this is a business we can clearly we can start. Bike and car service, clearly for a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. So if you put in a car shed, the car, then nearly 1,000 rupees we got to give. Four-wheeler it will be 4,000 for service, cleaning, oil changing, checking bolt nut, greasing, everything. This two-wheelers shop is giving very good income. Then if you see photos, photo camera album, and these are not fetching a very good income. So if you give a photo, then you will tell them to make a frame and give it will be nearly 200 rupees, or any marriage function if they go and take photos, so they will be getting very good income. Then album also they will make. So for that very good camera it's a need. So if you invest 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs in a very good camera, nearly 3 cameras, lighting system, everything, surely you can within 5 lakhs you can make this photo or camera shop studio. TV, computer service and all, it's fetching very good income. So according to that, if you put service of TV or computer or mobile and all, you are getting very more incomes. So an example, if you see grinder or mixie, your household items, if you give, surely there some spare parts will be going, belt will be going, washers will be for cookers, washer will be going. So if you put a small shop according to that, this will be fetching a very good income. And pizza corner, everybody will be knowing that pizza corner everywhere it's being wanted. So in a street there is a pizza shop. So if you go McDonald's or KFC, if they are charging 400 rupees and your pizza is good, tasty, and it is nearly 300 rupees, surely you will be getting veg or non-veg, so you will be getting a very good income. Now tea time came. Tea time is a tea shop, and with small biscuits and all, it is being tea time. Nearly many dealerships are being honored for this tea time, and many are started this tea time, and it is running very good well. And pet shops, if you are like a cat, dogs, or hen or lovebirds and all, if you sell and if you give the feed, training your feed also and services also, pet shops is a very good income fetching. Dealers, distributor and services of small household item or any item, if you start within this, surely you can telephonically you can do the services in daily. You can ask, you can get the list of who has purchased this Philips or Crompton or Bajaj item. According to that, if you call them, some madam, any problems or any problem is there, so 3 months services over shall be come, like that. If you tell, once if you call and you intimate them, your phone will be recorded, surely all the times they will be call you. Then decoration, marriage function or decoration item, function arranges, then game arranges and all, it is a very good income it's fetching. And sound systems, mic systems, wiring, this and all, bulb, decoration, everything it is fetching very well. And then bank and government coaching classes, when you are starting coaching classes, they need a halls, 1,000 square feet halls with nearly 50 chairs and boards and lighting system, and they need a board on online classes also they can take. According to that, bank and government coaching classes also you can very well do it for this, and this will fetch a very good income for you. And if you see trading, so you can see a lot of shops are being run in this in our places. So hardware shop, that bolt nut washers are being traded in the hardware shops. Electrical shops, electrical lightings, bulbs and all being sold. Electronics items like phone, electronics item, so like mic, like the home theaters, TVs and all being sold. But for that the investment will be little more, but according to 10 lakhs what are the items are being there, we can start it. Stationery item, boys, pen, notes, schools, if you start in area schools, it will be fetching a very good income. Then pharmacy and medical shops, everybody need a daily getting medicines once. If they are your customer from phone, they will tell this other medicine, please make ready sir, I will come. And also it is medical shop is getting very good income for you. Then small petty shops that we are seeing daily, this is a sister of supermarket, so it's a small sister of supermarket, and you will get all the items in that. If you start in a very good places where the household and many houses are there, so it will be fetching very good income. Fruits, all the fruits you can sell in this, and you will get very good income, and the margin also very good. And if you have to put the money also very less. vegetable shops also very good, and mobile shops, you can sell any branded mobiles in this area, you can sell it very well and you can fetch very good income. Textiles, silk sarees and all, you will getting, you can sales, it's many small villages and all, so everybody will not go to Pothys or RMKV or Chennai silks and all. Few will go, many will go to small shops only, because they know that we can get lesser rate compared to Pothys or Chennai silks, RMKV and also textiles shop also you can open it. Greeting card, previously we can use that, we used to see that the marriage function or any function will be giving by card. Today also it is there. Now small CDs came and WhatsApp will be coming. These are also being designed in this greetings cards item only. Construction material, you can hire your construction materials to some construction builders and you can get it. Shuttering plates, you can give it. Lot of items, so stands, stools, and everything you can give. Rope and all you can give it. And equipments like Hydra, crane, lorry and all, you can hire it for shifting the item. And this is being for 1 hour Hydra, they are nearly charging 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. So it's including diesel cost and all. So for shifting items, shifting hollow blocks, shifting big materials they are asking. So accident cars and all also being used by this Hydra. And egg trading, you can easily do egg trading, you can get it bulk and you can sell to different shops and you can get very good income. Zim, you know, Zim is very good, everybody need it. For per year if you pay only 5,000 rupees, so nearly 500 to 1,000 people will come. According to that, you have to make your schedules. For Zim, you have to make all the items for running, for taking. So equipments if you keep and make arrangement of the time morning and evening, here will come for Zim. Tires and tubes and oils. So service centers near that, if you put any automobile shops, you can easily sell the oils, you can easily sell the tires and tubes, etc. Then chili chicken broilers, this is poultry, so you can trade chicken, mutton and all and near to the houses, or evening time you can put chili chicken. It is fetching very income. Don't think that any work is no, this is higher work or this is lower work, I can't do. What you know, you do from that, you get a very good business and a very good income. Bike stand, if you take a bike stand in railways or bus stand and all, it will be fetching very good income, because nearly in a railway station or bus stand, nearly 500 people are there. For one day, if you park that parking stand, and they are asking 15 rupees to 20 rupees. So for 20 rupees, if you are thinking that only 100 bikes are started, 2,000 rupees you are getting. In this is one time you will give the corporation, you will have to pay the corporation. So you will get very good income. So my best idea is that these are the just a samples, manufacturing, services and trading. These are just a sample that we are telling. But if you start any business, you have to do marketing. My best wishes always is that you do marketing and you get income from this. After the first market, and try it. If it is not suiting to you, you shift your job, because same job and getting loss is not good at all. So you develop, you do market study, good market study, and start the business. You can be an entrepreneur, very good entrepreneur, and you can get income from this. If anything, please come on. For each item, if anybody wants the details, so I am planning to put the details for each one item, sir. If anybody specifically wants, please tell me how the project report will be there, how this has to be arranged and all. If you tell, I will put according to that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Please ask any doubts or queries. Thanks a lot.